start Visual Studio. Okay, now file, new project. Now I'm gonna add a WCF project. Yes, select WCF in the left pane and select WCF service application. You can select WCF service library also as well. Now I just select WCF service application, name first WCF service, and I'll save this file first WCF service in the location of desktop. Okay. Windows Communication Foundation (WCF) is a framework for building service-oriented application. WCF used to send data as asynchronous message from one service endpoint to another. You can host the service in IS. WCF service send the real-time data to client according to the client request. Okay, this is SBC file with two default methods. This is iService. Service.sbc inherits and implements the method that are defined in the service iService.cs. Okay, these are the method. You can use or remove this method. This is default method. When you create a WCF service, it will automatically generate. Now iService.cs is an interface that consists all the service method. If the method is not declared in the iService.cs, it won't be accessible from client. Service contact describe that operation contact be performed by the client on the service. First WCF is name of the WCF service. Operation contact indicates method defines of an operation. A method decorate with the operation contact to expose the client. You can use or remove these methods. A data contact is a formal agreement between a client and service that abstractly describes the data to be exchanged. Class based on operation contact. Now I'm going to remove all default method and class and create method as per my requirement. Yes, I'm removing and I'll remove bits also. Now I'm going to create a method in operation contact with two parameters. Double, my method is a double type because I'd like to create a calculator using WCF service as a first WCF service. In this method, I will show how to add two numbers. In that case, I just declare double number 1 and number 2. The method is also double data type. And I'm gonna add three more data contact, three more method to subtract multiplication and division. Okay, my method is done. Now go to the service.sbc.cs. I have removed the class from the iService. Now I'm going to remove it and the generate newly. In that case, just click and option to implement yes, implement interface iService and explicit implement interface iService. What interface I have created in the iService, I will just explicit in here. Just click explicit implement iService. Yes, the add, subtract, multiply and divide method is added. Now I'm gonna write code in the throw new implementation exception here. Now, return just return number 1 plus number 2 means the number 1 value added with number 2 finally display the result. Okay, this is the add and I just copy and paste it in the subtract. Just change the syntax minus and multiply the star from your keyboard. It means multiplication and division. Put the divide sign. Okay. To check the service, press F5 off. Click on debug. Yes, it's debugging. Done. Now see that all the method is added. Add, subtract, multiply and division are added. This is the config file. I will describe about config file on next tutorial. Okay, my service is ready. Now just right click in the service1.sbc and view in browser. With the Firefox you can use Mozilla, Google Chrome, anything. Okay, now my service is ready. Add new application, web application, file, new project, and this is web and ASP.NET web application. Name the application. I just named this application as first web with WCF. Just click on OK. The F will add it in the desktop. Yes, my app is added fast web with WCF. Okay, this is the default code in ASP.NET. Just remove, and now I'm gonna design this form with two text box, three text box, first one and second one, text box 1 and text box 2 for bearing value, and text box 3 for return result. Just design a calculator UI, user interface. In that case, to make the calculator is looking lucrative, I just added the div also, div style wide 50%, because I have not more control, only two, three, four control. That's why. Okay. Now div style wide equal to 50% and the style equal to background color. The background color of the div, second div, is blue. This is the header div, and color white. I mean text color white, and font size large. Okay. Now at the text, this is title, just heading of the calculator. I just add the text, my calculator using WCF. Yes, it's added, my calculator using WCF. Okay. uh, Font is not looking nice, that's why font white bolder. Okay. Now I'm gonna add break, and this is just design. You can design as your expectation. Here I'm gonna add text box. Okay. I just copy paste the style of the tip. Background color gray, color blue. Okay. Font size, make it a bit smaller so that the tight heading and the details font is should be different. Number one, add text box. Yes, this is the text box. Text box ID is text box 1, first number 1, and in the second text box we will be number 2. This is the text box 2.2, and after that I will add a button control. When I'll click the button control, it will execute as per the WCF method. My button is added. Name of the button is button 1. Yes, it's added. At the text of this button, add. Okay, color white, size medium. Change the background color. If you don't change background color, it will not looking nice. Okay, it's done. Now I just added a button. Break. Now I'm gonna add another text box to display the result after clicking the button control. I just copy paste the style. background color gray, color blue, font size medium, font weight bolder. Okay, now result. After clicking the button control, it will display the result. Result will be in textbook 3. Okay, now it's looking nice, but the gray color is not looking smart. um, hmm, no. Okay, erase the gray color background color from the deep control. White is nice. Yes. Okay, now it's okay. My UI for calculator is ready. Now the this is the textbook certificate enough. Okay, now go to the button click event. Yes, this is the button click event. Now right click and add service reference. To add service reference, just copy the WCF URL service link, copy and paste it to website. Okay, click on go the service. Okay, now the see the service divide multiply subtract all method are shown. This is the namespace service reference 1. Click on ok. It's added. Service reference 1 is added. Now just call the service reference 1 dot service client equal to new service reference 1 dot service client. Okay, now in this button I will display I will call that add method, and the result will display in the textbook 3 dot textbook 3. Okay, now client dot add. Yes, client dot add textbooks 1 and textbooks 2. Just noted that my textbooks 1 is double data type. What I declared number 1 and number 2 is double data type. That's why what value will be here in the as number 1 and number 2, it must be the double data type. In that case, I use the double dot first, and you noted that the textbooks 3 dot text is a string type. That's why it should be convert dot to string. In browser, put the number 1 150 sorry 15 and 5 equal 20. My WCF service is working. It's nice. Now I'm gonna add another button control, and I remove just remove the click event so that I'll generate the click event manually. Okay, this is for subtraction. Yes, just copy and paste it to uh, change the method only client dot sub. Okay, it will perform the subtraction operation. In browser, 15 5 add 20 subtract 10. Yes, 15 minus 5 equal to 10. And now add another button control. This button control is for multiplication. Yes, and I just remove the click event. Button 4, button 4 for divide, and button 3 for multiply. Okay, it's done. Button 3 and 4 is done. Go to the click event, just copy and paste. Yes, yeah, in the button 3 I will call the multiply. Okay, it will perform the multiplication operation, and the fourth button is for divide. Yes, it will perform the divide operation. Reload this page. Number 1 15 number 2 5 multiply 5 into 15 25 and divide yes, if you 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Okay, done. Everything is working perfectly. Add, subtract, multiply and divide as per the WCF service.